Okay, so I always understand English, but when it comes to speaking, my mind just goes blank, like totally blank. So I tried something new. I tried ChatGPT for 7 days, and the results were truly shocking. So hi guys, and welcome back. Not welcome back. It's my first video.
I'm sorry, what?
Obviously, yeah. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are someone like me who can read in English, who can understand English, but when it's time to speak in English, you are just overthinking and mixing Hindi and English both. So let me tell you, we are totally the same person. We are literally the same. And as you can read from my title that I want to talk about how I use ChatGPT, to improve my English. I want to first tell you that why I tried this. The first reason was that I didn't want to invest in any English practice tuition or coaching or any sort of thing, okay, because that is expensive, okay, and who wants to do that? Even my parents will not allow, because they will be like, what a shame on you, you studied English since your school, and then now we cannot even expect you to talk in English properly. That why do you want to waste our money and everything, okay? So, and the second reason was that I don't always have someone to practice with, okay, so I thought maybe I can make ChatGPT my practice partner. And well, at first it sounded very strange, right? That how can ChatGPT be your practice partner? But it actually helps. Trust me on this. I was also shocked by the results. So at first I was making so many mistakes, but the best part was that it corrected me without judging me. I then I tried different things like asking to act like a friend, then practicing daily conversations, and thirdly, I also told him told I mean the ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to practice, interview questions with me. So it literally felt that I had someone 24/7 with me to ask any doubt, or someone who is available for me or who is there for me every time. The real question is, did I become fluent by using ChatGPT for 7 days? The clear answer is no. But there is something which I noticed, like the small, minute details. The first thing was that I started thinking more in English, because what we used, like there is a big mistake which we all do, I guess, is that whenever we are talking to someone, we hear that sentence, then we understand that sentence in our native language, then we convert that sentence into English, and then we decide the reply. But practicing with ChatGPT actually helped me think more in English. And secondly, most important thing was, I felt less scared, making mistakes, because earlier I don't know what fear I had. And after 7 days, I did not feel that scared, because ChatGPT used to correct me without judging me, right? And the third most important thing is that I started, you can say, I started forming sentences in English faster, because obviously I also do the same thing of converting in first understanding in Hindi, then converting in English, then saying. But that actually takes a lot of time, and that is why we do when we speak in English, right? ChatGPT actually helped me to think faster in English. So just you can imagine, by using 7 days, I could do such good progress. What will happen if you're using it for a month, or maybe for 2 months, or maybe for 3 months? Just note it down, track your progress, and you will actually see improvement. And trust me on this. One thing which did not work for me was that just reading your corrections and not practicing it again, because until or unless you're not practicing your mistakes, you're not going to get better at them, or you won't be able to improve in that particular topic, or in that particular section where you're making extremely big mistakes or silly mistakes. So you need to practice it, okay? Very important. So if you want to try this, here are my some tips you can actually follow. Okay, so the first thing is that don't try to be perfect in this in the first go, because it might take you a little time. It also took me some time to get here, like, so don't try to be perfect, okay? Don't try to be perfect. Just start typing and just start learning, okay? The first step. Then the second thing is that use simple sentences first. Don't try to jump into deep conversations or expressing yourself. Use simple sentences, simple vocab, okay? Nothing else. Nothing, don't make it complex. Then the third thing is that be consistent. Even if you're doing it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just do it. And I don't think there is anyone who cannot even take out 10 or 5 minutes of their day out of 24 hours to practice. I mean, it is not a big deal. And if you're serious for this, you should commit yourself. And the last and the most important tip is that don't feel embarrassed, because this is literally AI. It is not a literal person. They will not judge you. Okay, it is literally AI. Just talk to them how you can talk to someone who is not judging you, full on frank, full on friendly, share your experiences. Okay, just like how you share your experiences to a friend. Okay, so like that only. And also very important, don't feel underconfident. Don't feel that you won't be able to speak fluently in English ever, or it is just not your cup of tea. So please don't feel underconfident. This is the key. Yeah, guys, this was my 7-day experiment. If you want me to do a 30-day challenge, I can do that and show you my real progress, with also I can say you the literal screen recording and how I did it and what prompts I wrote to ChatGPT. I can share that. And also, if you're trying to improve your English, please drop me in the comment section so that I know I am not alone in this journey. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.